face look familiar?
Hey.
Such a beautiful morning. Like 6:15 right now. And I'm on another road trip with my wife. My voice is kind of messed up because past 2 days we've been doing quads on the dunes, and all the yelling and screaming and staying up late and just having a good old time. My voice thinking like I'm getting sick or whatever, but anyway, as usual, I'm out here on the coast 101. This section's about a half an hour drive back to where we're staying. So I figure I'd come out here and just hang out. It's kind of foggy today, so I was trying to wait for sunrise, but there's not going to be any sunrise because there's overcast. So I decided to just get in the car and just do a little spirited drive back. Shouldn't be that much traffic out here this early in the morning on a Sunday. I didn't really notice too many cars. So hopefully for like the next 10-15 minutes it's pretty clear. After this straight, it's gonna be a nice little twisty section, so I just wanna have a little bit of fun there and get my thrills as safe as possible. Yeah, so in MR2 today, stock 2 ZZ, just got it retuned like a week ago before I got on this trip. Put out 181 to the wheels, so I'm pretty happy with that. Apparently I was having an issue that I didn't know that cost me about 16 horsepower. I changed the intake filter and cleaned the TPS sensor, and that's all I did, and just got it took it back to the dyno, and they just did a little touch up and it just boom, 16 wheel horsepower just sitting there. I was like, man, that's crazy. So I'm pretty excited about that. At some point I'm gonna have to get like a aftermarket tack for this, because the rev limiter is set think that's enough for now. Most of the twisties I've gone through, so from here down it's kind of like straight, not too much turns. So whew, I got my thrill. I'll just chill and just let it seep in. Oh, there's another turn. Oh, okay. I think that's it. The rest of the turns are not like aggressive. Like I like the super aggressive twisty section back there. That's the fun, like, cause then you get to feel like the car, you know what I'm saying, like how good it you know, it moves about and stuff like that. I'm obviously not saying the right words right now, but this is the funner stuff. So